Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I have this 2005 Jeep Liberty Sport to share with you. This Jeep only has 61,000 original miles, and it has been very well cared for since new, as we will see in this video. This Jeep is available at the date of this video posting here at AlphaCars. You can view the listing on our website, alphacars.com. The link will be in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the description. There you'll find the availability of the vehicle, as well as the current pricing, and a long list of technical data, including the vehicle history, Carfax report, paint thickness readings, remaining tire and brake life, and more. You can also view a set of professional high-resolution images of the entire vehicle as well. So in this video, we're going to do a full condition overview of this Jeep so we can get familiar with it. And don't forget, we offer vehicle transportation as well. So if you're looking to get into a awesome Jeep 4x4, but you're not local here in New England, well, we can ship it right to you. Contact us for your options there. With all that being said, let's get into the video. Let's start on the exterior of the Jeep. I'll do a walk around here so we can get familiar with it, and then I'll pay special attention to some of the details up close and comment on if there's any blemishes to report. The underbody of this Jeep is very clean as well. It actually, the recent owner serviced it here at AlphaCars. We've seen this Jeep back multiple times. It's always very well taken care of. And we did, in 2024, we did a rust preventative treatment on the underbody. So it does have protection on the metal components underneath from the harsh winters we have here in New England. But judging by the condition of the underside of the Jeep, it's clear it really wasn't used much at all in those conditions. And we will peek under the underside later in the video. So now that I've discussed that and we've done our walk around, let's start paying attention to the panels up close. And let's start at the hood. Overall, it looks to be in good condition. There's a light scuff right here. Looks like it's been touched up in body color. Other than that, a couple of very minor little bits of like pitting. You really have to be up close to see a couple of those little areas. But other than that, it's very clean. The front bumper looks good, and the front grille. You can see a couple scuffs here and there, but not too bad. We've got our 4x4 trail rated badge. And you'd be surprised, these Liberties, they're actually very capable off-road when you get them into four-wheel drive. I did want to mention this little scuff here. Of course, we make these videos because we're full transparency here at AlphaCars. And we want to disclose everything we know about the vehicle because we believe in selling only quality vehicles. And we want to make sure you know what you're getting. You can see the VIN here stamped beneath the windshield, and the windshield looks to be in good condition. I don't see any major blemishes to report, and you can see just above this wiper, looks like it's a factory windshield as well, which is always a bonus. Now getting to the passenger side, you can see the glass looks nice. And going down the side of the vehicle, a little light scuff there. And other than that, it appears to be pretty nice on this side. Lightest ding, surface blemish right there. Doesn't seem to affect the paint. You can just see the light reflect a little bit differently. But other than that, very, very clean. We did refinish these steel wheels, which is why the finish is literally perfect on them. But even in the inner barrels there, you can see they're still pretty clean and look nice. Once again, there's another clean rear wheel. And now we're at the back of the vehicle. I apologize for any noise. There's a plane going overhead. But yeah, back here is looking good. We will open it up and take a look inside in just a minute. The spare looks excellent as well. You can see it still has all the paint markings on the tire. Now getting to the driver's side. You can see our QR code there to view the vehicle on our website. That's one of the cool things you'll see when you visit AlphaCars in person. We have those little QR codes on our vehicles. So if you're in the showroom and you're interested in something, you could just scan that and learn all the information that you need to make an informed decision. But yeah, going down the driver's side, very light scuff right there. A couple little scratches. Well, that's more of a scuff. Very light sort of surface blemish there on the door. Other than that, it's looking pretty good on this side. Now let's open up the back. A cool feature, this glass opens up separately. So if you lightly pull this handle, it only releases the glass. So check this out. Of course, watch your face when it is open there. Opens by itself, and we can shut it here. But that's an awesome feature, because if you just want to quickly get in the back here and put your groceries in or whatever, super convenient. And then if you want to open everything, then it kind of opens it in 2 stages. So you just pull it all the way, and it opens the glass first and swings out of the way. So then you open the swinging tailgate here. And other than a little bit of dried water here, I'm sorry about that, the vehicle, there was a little bit of water that ran down. You can see outside, it's a little wet. But other than that, which is purely just needs to be cleaned. The bumper and everything back here does look good. Even how look at how nice the trailer hitch is there. You can see it's not all rusty or flaking apart, and we will look more under there later in the video. If you see any of this orange, this is that rust preventative treatment. So you can see the hinges in here, there's no rust, they aren't rusty, they're in excellent condition. Even look at the panel edge there, and even over here. So in all the enclosed areas, you can see these, some of these access points and these plugs. That's why you see this sort of orange product running out. That's not rust, that's a enclosed area treatment to prevent the rust. So same thing within these door jambs, spraying it around the latches and the hinges there. So water, salt gets in there from the winter. You're not gonna have any rust there for a long time as long as that coating is kept up with. Now getting into the back of the Jeep, plenty of room back here. A true testament to the care that was put into this Jeep. It's got a full set of WeatherTech mats for the front, and then this is the back one. And of course we have the full WeatherTech liner for the trunk floor. But under this, because of that, let me open this up. You can see the carpet condition under here does look excellent. Because of that, these seats do fold down, so you've got plenty of room for all sorts of items and storage. And the headliner looks to be in excellent condition as well. I don't see any evidence of the failing headliner or damage. So now let's shut this, which operates nice and smooth. And we'll get inside the Jeep here. Carpets, look at the carpets. They're in excellent condition. In usual Jeep fashion, the window switches are in the center there. So you could remove the doors and you're not gonna be missing any controls there. And under here looks to be the factory tools and the jack there. But yeah, the seat condition, it's really like new, it's unreal. Looks awesome. Once again, the door edges is no rust. You can see the orange product there, that's the rust preventative treatment. And same thing with the door jambs, it has the rust preventative treatment in there to maintain that perfect rust-free condition. And now looking at it from this side, it all presents the same, the seats, door jamb, door edges, and the door itself. And let's get in the passenger side now on the front. And yeah, the door looks excellent. Like, look at this, there's no rust or corrosion or anything, even on the door edges there, at the sheet metal seams. All looks awesome. And with only, 61,000 miles, this Jeep has a long life ahead of it. You're certainly not gonna be fighting against the rust, which usually that's the first thing to hurt vehicles or shorten their longevity here in New England is the rust. Don't have to worry about that here. Yeah, dash condition, seat, as I've been showing you. A couple little wear marks in the bolster here, but no damage to the material. And yeah, the carpet looks excellent. It even has the original airbag disclaimer just there in the glove box, so that's cool. It does have two keys with it as well. I've got one here because we will start it up when we get to the driver's seat. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to show you right here. Now, the driver's seat and area. Driver's door, looking good. Door jamb, all that. Carpet looks pretty good. A little bit of wear. Looks like a little bit of wear or discoloration on the carpet there. Maybe that could be improved with some extensive detailing and extraction, but that'd be something to talk about if the buyer feels it's worth us putting some labor in that to improve it. But with the WeatherTech liner there, you know, it's not really something you're gonna be looking at anymore. But yeah, driver's seat looks good. A little bit of, once again, wear right here. Other than that, a little bit of, a couple areas of discoloration here and there, but overall it's minimal. Now, let's get the key. I'm gonna start it on up. Starts right up. And look at that, 60,990 miles. I was actually saying the mileage was a bit high at 61. So 60,990 miles. You can see no warning lights, runs nice and smooth. And look at the buttons and controls, there's no wear. It's really a time capsule. This Jeep. And yeah, cup holders, center console. And once again, just peeking at the sort of headliner from here. Yeah, looks awesome. And there's even the mirror right here with the light, so we can take a look at ourselves. All that is great. And now as the Jeep is running nice and smooth, we can pop the hood. And look at that, it has the pneumatic struts. Stays up on its own, but you can see the hood insulation under there looks good. This 3.7 liter V6, they've got it right there very obviously. It's running nice and smooth. You can see all the factory diagrams on the factory core support. These fender bolts, you can see there's no wrench marks on them. So they haven't been messed with. Look how clean that bolt is, no wrench marks. A testament to the vehicle's originality. And yeah, everything is just looking as you would expect under there. Nice and clean and orderly. Now let's take a look underneath the Jeep. We'll just peek under here a little bit. Look at how clean that frame rail is. Now going to the back of the Jeep. We'll go on the non-exhaust side so you don't breathe it in. But yeah, look how clean the tow bar is, even the straps for the gas tank, rear axle. There's definitely some, you know, superficial corrosion here and there, but it's very, very clean and solid. Really amazing condition. Sorry if it's a little dark under there, but there are a couple pictures of the underbody on our listing if you'd like to view them on there with a little bit better lighting. So now that we've had a very thorough look at this Jeep, I want to thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this Jeep, be sure to check out the listing on our website, alphacars.com. There you can contact us. You can also call us directly at 978-263-9000. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please leave a like on this video if it was helpful, and make sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on the latest motoring content.